Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating room to work. Loosen the old string slowly while holding the peg to prevent sudden release. Once the tension drops, unwind and unhook at the tailpiece. Do not yank. Make sure to wipe the fingerboard and bridge area to remove rosin dust so the new string seats cleanly. Identify the string note and gauge, E, A, D, or G, so you can match materials and tension. This prevents mismatched tension that alters setup and intonation. You now fit the new string. Seat the ball or loop in the tailpiece and feed the other end through the correct peg hole. Once through, pull until there's about 2-3 inches of slack for safe winding and begin turning the peg, winding down toward the peg box center. Keep the string aligned in the bridge notch and nut channel to avoid sideways pressure. As you tighten to near pitch, use a tuner to approach target notes slowly, making sure winds coil neatly without overlapping. You finish by tuning carefully. Raise pitch in small steps and repeatedly stretch the string gently to accelerate settling. Once it holds, fine-tune with your tuner to exact pitch. Trim excess tail, leaving a small tail for safety, and inspect the bridge for proper positioning. Make sure it stands straight and hasn't tilted. If the string buzzes or slips, reseat it in the notch, check that the peg has proper friction, and use a small amount of peg compound if needed. This secures tuning and tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.